Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the BEA number 10PBS451. This is a 4.5-inch square stainless steel push plate, blue handicap logo and push to open. It's the cherry switch on the back there. By the way, it is a very simple and easily replaceable product. You don't have a mechanical failure with these naturally. There's nothing other than some screws and some springs that are in there. So if you need a cherry switch, if your unit has stopped working but you know your wiring and your operator are all intact, then you probably just need a very inexpensive cherry switch. 4.5 inch, let's go over those dimensions. Okay, 4.5, 4.5. This is going to obviously fit down over a standard gang box. This is going to include, well, first of all, you see your 2 Phillips head screws there. This will include 2 snake eyes or pin screws and then a special wrench, which is certainly a good idea to have installed, you know, in an application where you might expect some sort of tampering. You will get your 2 flag connectors, and you can see why they call them flag connectors. You'll get your wire nuts. You will get your machine screws that are here. There is no Allen wrench with this, of course, because you will remove the exterior plate, run those screws with a typical number 1 screwdriver through the holes into your back box. Speaking of back box, what you're looking at is at the very bottom of the extended description below this video is a reference to the surface mount 4.5 inch square box with a link to it should you need to purchase the mounting box as well. 4.5 inch stainless plate, blue logo for handicap, push to open letters. This square push plate is the perfect solution for fast and easy installation. Perfect for wall applications because they are easy to use but unobtrusive to the aesthetics of the building. Beveled edges provide a tamper and vandal-proof solution. When that's activated, you know, you really don't have any room to get anything behind there. Okay, vandal, tamper-proof, really allowing no room to get anything behind. All active push location, meaning you can really push this anywhere on the device and make it activate. Very easy to make it activate. Text and logo are baked on for durability. Stainless steel, that's not only a satin finish on stainless, but it's solids. It's all stainless components for the exposed plates. That's what raw or mill stainless looks like on the back. Very durable naturally. Now, there is with this, other than the components I've shown you, the installation instructions. Below this video are some links. One of them is the link to the installation instructions. That's very handy because it will show you on page 2, which is actually not shown on the included user's guide, the common, normally open, normally closed, common, normally open, normally closed condition of the cherry switch. Other than that, on page 1, there's references to the different part numbers as the shape and size, and then the treatment to the face of this, how the letters change, what it says, maybe it's plain, etc., the color. There's then also a link below this video to a document called Technical Data. Technical Data is really a catalog cut page that just shows this in a summary sort of fashion, also refers to that surface mount box we discussed earlier. The other link is called Cut Sheet. That's a technical drawing of all, well, pardon me, it's a technical drawing of this unit so that you can just see it in a schematic or technical drawing sort of perspective. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the BEA products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Now, that full product catalog is handy, and here's why. The name BEA is synonymous with transmitters, receivers, and the associated hardware for automatic doors. It's very likely that the unit that you have, while it may not say BEA on it, came from came from BEA. So rather than pay the upcharge for a different brand where it looks amazingly similar to the BEA item, I suggest go straight to the source, because you've got excellent stock shipping ability, you've got phenomenal technical support, and you've got great value. All the data is published so that you can see all of it prior to making the purchase. The most transparent of companies, really, when it comes, well, among them anyway, when it comes to their technical information. I rarely have to reach out to them, but when I do, they are 100% of the time responsive. Excellent company. They focus on one thing, they do it very well. That's the bottom line with BEA. If you have any questions on the BEA 10PBS451 4.5-inch stainless steel square push plate, or any other BEA product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.